Okay, that video you saw a few seconds ago, it's a build by Seedance 1.5 Pro, and there is a good news about Seedance 2.0 is coming very soon in higgsfield.ai. And if you don't watch this video, you will not know how to make a greater AI videos and with this. And you might gonna miss so many things that you're supposed to see that, so you can make a better video, better images. And there's we go. So before we start, you need to know what is higgsfield.ai. Higgsfield.ai is a great platforms with all LLMs and AI features or AI agents that can help you to create a different type of high quality, high-end contents, visual contents. You can see already over here, and it's quite affordable based on what they provide. You can see the plans. It's quite affordable. Their highest plan have unlimited most of those, which is really hard to get if you buy all these plans together. So you can see all the features. You can go to their websites, or link is given on the descriptions or on the video. You can buy from there, and you will get a bonus and discounts and so many things out there. So let's get started with the Seedance 1.5 Pro to 2.0. And you can already see their Seedance 2.0 is coming soon. They already announced, and on the social media you can see the quality and outputs, all the things they're talking about on the Reddit. Also you can see on the CapCut Seedance 2.0 is coming, most advanced AI video models ever. So that's really great, and that's the thing. I mean, if you want to see that, some people already tried Seedance test modes. You can see that a video how it looks like. So it's quite look almost real. Great action moves, and that's really quite insane. You can already see that the
I like strength.
music, CDAs, and the best things. I like animation cartoon a lot. I'm a big fan of Dragon Ball Z, and this kind of animation cartoon you can make blink of the eye with a 2.0 with a prompt. So let's see 1.5 what they're including with this, and then we will see more details about that, and then we will also try 1.5 Pro, so you can understand if this Seedance 1.5 Pro can give you that much of high quality output, then what 2.0 will give to you. Okay, so you can see Seedance 1.5 Pros, and I already put an image over there so we can see the test modes, and you maybe saw already the videos, and I will show you what prompts I use. And if you want to know and learn many things that must make a high quality, ultra realistic things that take you hours and hours to research, then you can follow my channels, and you can stay with me, watch this entire video so you can understand pretty much well. Okay, so let's go with what in details you're getting in Seedance 2.0. So there is a lot of things that's coming up. 12 mixed files images means right now you can see there is a one files in frame, so they're saying 2 means multiple files. So if you don't know and don't understand this, you can see one of my previous video where I talked about Clean 2.0 multi shots. Okay, maybe they're talking about that. And Seedance 2.0 appears to generate audio and video simultaneously, footstep matching, so when you walk it will looks really real. Sounds really real. Also ambient sounds, prompt-based editing, swap characters, modify backgrounds. So might be we able to do the editing parts also, multi-shot storytellings, character consistency, breakthrough, so a lot more. But these are not officially confirmed yet. But that's the thought we think we will comes in, and we will see with the Seedance 2.0. So that's crazy, and that's really awesome. And if you want to know, I mean, if you stay with me with my channels and support Seedance and higgsfield.ai and all my contents related to higgsfield.ai, link is given on the descriptions if you buy from my link. And I will keep giving you more. I mean, I will share the contents that I used and prompts, all the stuff that really hard, I mean, to get for free. Okay, so buy the higgsfield.ai from my link and get the prompts on the comments, or just comment prompts. I will give you the prompts and also the images. Okay, so let's try 1.5 Pro and see how good at this. And if we use 2.0, then it will be more 10 times better than 1.5s that we can only understand if we try something. So I'm gonna use that prompts, and if you want that prompt, I have more advanced prompt. I'm a prompt engineer. I learned from Harvard prompt engineers who have couple of multi six figures AI apps, which he builds by vibe codings and prompt engineerings, and also get helps with the developers. So I'm not going to give you something like so exclusive backups, camera from so many high quality contents that looks like high quality, but you learn nothing else, like you see existing content online. I will give you research based, which take huge time to do research and find out the best outputs. You might not never able to get there for free. Okay, so I will share this prompt. If this video you watch full and comment prompts, I will share this prompt. It will give you idea that how you can use that prompts and reverse into your other prompts and get the best quality. Okay, and that's it. So I'm gonna click on the generate. Then I need to wait a couple of seconds. It might gonna get a long time, so I'm gonna cut these videos and go to the outputs, and then I will able to see that. So if you want to see the video, all the video that you or images, anything you built over here, you can see directly into the assets. Okay, so you can see there 1 2 3 4. I tried many different prompts, and this is the last prompt. Maybe this is the last one we tried, and let's see how it looks like. Okay, so it's like look quite real, but see some glitch, and we can also see this one. This one almost look like almost real. If we skip the head roundings and something like a thriller or horror, looks horror. So if this is can do, I mean in Seedance 1.5 Pro, just imagine what Seedance 2.0 will able to do that. So this is all about. See you on higgsfield.ai, and if you want to buy, you can see on the descriptions, also on the videos. Go to my links, buy it, and comment over here the prompts. I will send you the prompt. Okay, no problem. Have a great day and stay safe.